So this car failed inspection because it had what looked like a rusty nail in the tire, but it didn't even have a slight drop in pressure after a pretty long while, and this also didn't really look like a nail head. So I gathered some of my tire plugging stuff to try and pull it out and see what to do next. Now you can see here that it's on the shoulder of the tire. So normally, if this was a real puncture here, you wouldn't really just plug this. You'd need a stronger repair to make it usable for any real length of time. Or you might even need to just replace the tire. Here I'm just using a short flathead to try and pry it out. You can see as I'm wiggling it that it has a lot of play, so it can't be in there very deep. Once I've finally yanked it out with pliers, you can see that it's only a dinky little short piece of cylindrical metal, only a few millimeters, and it clearly didn't pierce all the way into the tire. But since there was a small hole in the tread, I decided to go ahead and use a little piece of plug to fill in that hole to prevent anything else from happening or getting into that hole and causing an issue. You can use scissors or wire cutters or whatever. Here I've just snipped off a piece about the same size as that little piece of metal. First, I'm just pushing it in by hand, and then I'm using a screwdriver to really push it in there. This plug material is pretty sticky, so I'm thinking it should stay in there. I just pushed it in until it's pretty level with the rest of the tire. And it seems to have done the trick. It never had any loss of pressure after this, and after a few hundred miles, it still didn't fall out and just looked like a little bump. Hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe.